It is March 17th. It's a Friday. It's St. Patrick's Day. And to celebrate, the ocean has brought us in some big wave sets. I think I actually see a surfer out there. We've got double red flags today. Second time this year, so not very common that we have that. Got a lot of people out here though. It's still 72 degrees. It was kind of sunny earlier, a little sunnier anyway. So mostly staying out of the water. Mostly, nearly everyone. There's almost no one in the water. Just maybe one surfer way out. Yeah. It's a nice wavy day.